Hello friend, today we discuss how to delta change of your utility network means electricity asset network. It is very important because network is day to day increase and master data is old. So it is very important for updation, deletion and insert. So today class is very important for updating your utility network day to day. So first we discuss how to delete your structure means asset if any DTR, pole, meter, switch and fuse are removed in on your field. So how to remove in your master data? So we start first delete. Here is our Excel file. We want to delete DTR, fuse, switch and meter. Here is our format and we fill up each format on your master data means asset data. Here is our asset data. Here is our asset data. Here is our one feeder, substation, underground line and pole, its pole and line, overhead 11 kV line, and here is road and building. After road building, here is our consumer tag data and secondary OH line. Here is secondary OH line and we remove here a assembly. Here is we remove this asset because field is disconnected for all asset DT, meter and consumer field is disconnected. So how to remove here all data? So first we select it all data. Here is we remove only this one and we go to selection and see here all field is here selected. We open attribute and we select only selected item. Here is GIS ID. We remove only GIS ID, automatically structure is deleted. We copy GIS ID, and paste our format. We paste it. Here is GIS ID and other field we delete it and we copy and paste here and we convert in text file, convert in text, finish. And same as secondary OH line segment, we select it, copy GIS ID and paste here. We take on GIS ID, we paste it and remove all field and convert it test. And next we select fuse, we select it, copy, go to fuse, paste and we copy GIS ID and delete extra field, go to data, convert in text fuse. Next meter, we go to meter, we copy and paste, copy and paste, delete and border and convert to test. Next switch, we select it, copy and paste, test and save it. Next DTR, go to DTR, open attribute table, select, copy GIS ID and paste, convert in text. Our delete file is completed. Distribution transformer, switch, meter, fuse, secondary UH and primary UH. You see here is all field is selected and we prepare a format of delete Excel, save it and close it, and we unselect it and we join to all field. First we join fuse, we go to fuse, join, and we select here GIS ID, fuse GIS ID, and we select here Excel, delete Excel, our data is available here. First we remove fuse, we select here fuse, add, and here GIS ID, keep only matching record and OK. You see here open attribute table, two fuse are selected. We start editing and delete it. Our fuse is deleted and remove field. Next meter, join, GIS ID, meter, add, keep only match record, OK. We go to meter, here is 1 meter, we select it and delete, and we remove join Excel, no. We go to switch, join, GIS ID, switch, add, keep only match record, OK. Open attribute table, we select switch and delete, we remove Excel. Next DTR, we go to DTR, join, we select here GIS ID, distribution transformer, add, keep only match record, we open attribute table, we select DTR, here you select DTR and delete, right click and remove Excel, and next primary UH, go to primary UH, join and select here GIS ID and primary UH, add, GIS ID, keep only match record, OK. Open attribute table, we select all and delete, we remove it, our deleted last. We go to secondary OH, select GIS ID, select secondary OH, add, keep only match record, OK, and we open and select and delete. Remove join. Yes, our file is removed. All field is removed, means delete. We save it. We save it. If you want to delete any feature, so you select these type of process. It is very important. If you want to delete, here is our GPS data we collect in field. After collect field, we convert in shape file and GDB file, and you see here point is here, support structure point 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. Here is 54 and 1DT data, and we make a insert file, and after it we add old data. Here is old data, our master data. Here is old data and old data pole and network, all feature, and we also add land base. Here is land base, center line, hydrological, building and road, and we make a insert file. So we start editing. We already started editing, and after start editing we go to editor, create window. Here is create window. We select primary OH, and here is nearest pole number 22, and here is 35 pole number. And if you have a reference file for SLD, single line diagram, you also take SLD, and we make a reference 22 pole number, and we connect it 35 to 36, 36 to 37, 37, 38 and 39. We connect it. If you want to attribute it, we already discussed previous, but we describe some. We select it and we go to attribute. We select here previous pole. Here is previous pole. We copy and paste in previous, and next 35 we copy it and paste it, and GIS ID. If you want to put up here GIS ID, so you also search last GIS ID for your old data. We go to primary OH and we select here GIS ID, and we go to last GIS ID. Last GIS ID is 33, and we put here this one. Last GIS ID is 33. We write here 34, and we also, you see here feeder ID. You see old data feeder ID. You see here feeder ID, and we paste it feeder ID, and we save it. Our attribute is completed. If you want to more detail, you see previous video, and we make next assembly DTR asset. So we go to primary OH and take it and pole, right click, go to length, and we write here 1.25 because we want to convert in 5 equal part 0.25, so we take 1.25 and we enter it, and we go to editor, split equal 5 part, we select here equal part and we write here 5 and OK. It's convert in equal 5 part, and last 2 part we convert in secondary OH. We select it, copy and paste in secondary OH. We paste. After paste, we delete primary OH last part. Here is our line is complete, and we asset management. First we take ST site switch, and next ST site fuse, and next DTR, and next LT side fuse and meter. Last is meter. Our assembly is completed. We save it. After assembly, we complete our insert data, 5 pole and 1 DTR assembly. We complete it. If you want to see, we remove land base and old data. Here is our insert data. We save it, and we after insert data we upload in our master data. We open R catalog. After open R catalog, we go to our master data and we go to asset, electric data set. We go to switch and we go to load, and next we select here our target file, means field data we complete already. Here is field data we already insert completed. We select here switch and open, add, next, 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 and next, finish. We go to support structure, load, data load, next we select here support structure, add, next, 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 and finish. Next secondary OH, we right click, go to load, and we select here secondary OH, add, next, 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 finish. And primary OH, we go to load, next, primary OH, open, add, next, 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 finish. And meter, we right click, load, load data, next we select here path, meter, add, next, 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 finish. Next fuse, we go to load, load data, select here fuse, open, add, next, 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 finish. And we go to distribution transformer, load, load data, next, distribution transformer, add, next, 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 and finish. Our data is loaded here master file, and after load data we make a network for tracing our network connected, disconnected, and loop. So we right click and we go to new geometric network, next, next, and we select all, next, 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 and finish. After finish, we open file, we close it, we open here. Here is our insert data. You see here, here is our insert data, and we check it, connect, disconnect, and loop. So for checking, we go to analysis option, and we select here selection and apply. OK. Here is need to utility network tool. If you have not, you right click and you go to downside and select here utility network, and we put here. After analysis, we go to flag, we select here flag tool, and we put here flag, and we trace it. We close land base, we select here connected, and we connect it. You see here our line is connected. We mostly see here our connection is here, so our network is connected. And we also check loop and disconnected, find loop. Here is not any loop, we connect disconnected, not any feature is disconnected, our network is complete. We discuss how to update DTR capacity. We see here its capacity, DTR capacity. We go to property and display here capacity, means rated kVA. You see here it's 100 kVA, and its GIS ID 11051041, and we available here the Excel file. Here is format, remark, set1 update, GIS ID, and rated kVA. So we update it. Here is DTR 11051041. We update it. We right click and go to join and GIS ID, and we go to update file. Here is update file. We select here add and select here GIS ID, keep only matching record. OK. And we open attribute table, go to table, and we select here. Here is rated kVA, old rated kVA, and here is Excel join rated kVA. We right click rated kVA and go to field calculator, and we go to rated kVA, join file rated kVA. We double click and OK. Here is populated 500 kVA. You also open level, rated kVA, you see here it's update 500 kVA. If you want to update other feature, you also proper Excel. We complete class today. Delete, insert and update with network generation and tracing. Thank you for all participation. Thank you.